Hey everyone, welcome to Quick Takes with Cate and an episode from the reality show Keeping Up with the Klausashians. Today's topic features my very own relatives. That's right, you can spot an Armenian name by the endings IAN and YAN. And what better time to peek into the Klausashian household than at Christmas, when our thoughts turn to Santa Claus. So what makes a Klaus a Klaus? In the world of grammar, we have three building blocks to build our sentences with: the word, the phrase, and the clause. A clause is a group of words that tells a story. That is, it has a character and a plot. There's a story unfolding in the Santa's kitchen right now. Seems Mrs. Claus is taking the cookie tray away from her husband. Santa grumbles. Santa, the character, is our subject. Grumbles, the plot, is our verb. This is an independent clause because it conveys a complete thought with a subject and a verb. What happens when we add the word after? Do we still have a clause? Are the subject and the verb still there? Yes, we still have a clause. But do we have a complete thought, one that can stand alone independently as a sentence? No, the word after has changed the independent clause into a dependent clause. For it to make sense, we would have to add an independent clause like this. After Santa grumbles, Mrs. Claus frowns. Now we have a complex sentence, one of the four sentence structures. And things are certainly becoming complex in the kitchen, heating up in fact. Mrs. Claus pokes a spatula at Santa's belly just as a button pops off. Can you identify the independent clause, the dependent clause? Let's see how you did. Give me a cookie, witch. I'm not a witch. I'm your wife. Wait, wrong reality show. Well, if you've seen one, you've seen them all, right? Maybe it's time we leave the Klauses in the kitchen to work out their differences in private. For the rest of the story, go to Touryan.com/quicktakes, and I'll see you next week for another Quick Take with Cate.